Welcome back to another video, guys. And in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm doing some honey jerk chipotle chicken bowls. And for this recipe, we're gonna start off with our chicken. So in here, I have chicken thighs. I feel like chicken thighs are the best meat for recipes like this because they can retain a lot of their juices, unlike chicken breast. But if you would like to use chicken breast, you can use that as well. So here I have 2 packs of chicken thighs, and I am going to be washing it with some lime juice, and I'm also going to be using some white vinegar. I'm going to wash it, take the skin off, I'm going to take the bone off as well, and we're going to start to season. And here I have my freshly washed and cleaned chicken, and we're going to start the seasoning process. I just added some salt, black pepper, and some olive oil. Next, I'm going in with my green seasoning, my garlic powder, my jerk seasoning, and soy sauce.
And this is how it looks all seasoned. Next, I'm going to place it in my baking dish and have it roast in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour.
I'm just taking out a few pieces just to dice them, as you can see, nice and juicy. Next, we move on to doing some rice. Place some olive oil in here. Next, I'm going to go in with my green seasoning, some salt, and black pepper. Then I'm going to go in with my parboiled rice and allow it to cook for 15 to 20 minutes or until tender.
I also added coconut milk and some turmeric powder.
And the rice is all done. And next, we move on to plantain. I'm just going to dice this plantain and give it a quick fry, and I'm going to be adding this to that chipotle bowl as well.
And here it is, all golden brown, and I'm going to just place it to a side to add to our bowl later. And next we start on our beans, and I'm going ahead with my green seasoning, and I'm using canned kidney beans. Additionally, I also made my version of guacamole using avocado and salt and pepper and also vinegar. So now I'm just starting to put everything together. I'm starting with a layer of rice, followed by adding some of the chicken.
The red beans. Lettuce.
Next, we go in with some salsa and also some sweet corn.
I'm just going in with my diced plantains and just a dollop of the guacamole or avocado. And here you have it, my jerk chicken chipotle bowl. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Catch you guys in the next one. Bye.